Hello, here from Maple Brook. Look at this, it's beautiful. So I told you I'm making wreaths. I've gone down here to our one pond where I have this maple, not maple, the willow tree, and I've had these branches dried up for about 3 days now, and I'm just kind of stripping them down like this. So there are lots of them, taking off the branches. So, but let me show you where I start. That's not a good one. Where did I have a nice one here? So this one here, basically just take it, put it in a circle, and then bend it around like that. Just get it around this and keep on going. So they are still pliable, soft enough. They're not totally dry. You don't want them totally dry because otherwise you can't bend them and they'll break. And then you just kind of feed these branches along like so. So I've stripped these already. As I said, they're still green and pliable, so you just keep on going. Weave it in, hold it, and get another one. And then just start over like so. And just keep on going. So I'm hoping to have a whole bunch ready for kind of the fall season. This, oh, you hear the toad. They're croaking. Apparently we have coyotes down here again too. The corn is really tall already too. So I already stripped most of these. And then just feed it on wherever you kind of want to start. Sometimes they break. Alright, so this one here I want to have underneath. Takes a little bit manhandling at times, but see, look, it's coming together. See this? It's so nice to hear the bullfrog. So then you have this. You could technically cut this off if you want to. I'm going to see if I can weave this in. There's a really thick one. That I might keep for a beginning of one. All right, let's scoop another one. This will be perfect. Nice and soft branches. And the drier the leaves are, the better. But then that means basically the rest of the branches will be dry too, and you don't really want that. All right. So actually almost looks like a heart a little bit, but I'm gonna add on a piece here. Actually I'm gonna go here, and then I can pull this down a bit. So you just keep on going, until you're happy with this. And then once they're dry, I'm actually going to hang them up by the up. So you see this came loose. And just stick it back under. Then, and then you can add on stuff for Christmas or the fall season. So sometimes you can also stick it in center. It goes in. There. they will fall off. Sometimes they add on a little bit of a extra texture, which is fine too. And you can tweak them. So I'm just trying to secure it so it will be staying in. There. And you can tweak them as you go. I'm going to add on a little bit more. This is a scrawny one though.